has joined a coalition with over 100 countries and international organizations in condemning Israel's recent unilateral actions in the West Bank, signaling a departure from its earlier stance. The joint statement, issued at the United Nations by the Permanent Observer Mission of Palestine, criticized Israel's expansion of its presence in the occupied territory and rejected any move towards annexation. It asserted that such steps violate international law and must be reversed immediately. New Delhi was not among the 85 countries that first issued the statement on February 17th. It later joined the expanded group of signatories, taking its place alongside more than 100 nations and organizations backing the position. The statement rejected measures aimed at altering the demographic composition, character, or status of Palestinian territories occupied since 1967, including East Jerusalem. It warned that these actions undermine peace efforts, threaten regional stability, and damage prospects for a negotiated settlement. The signatories reaffirmed that a lasting solution lies in implementing relevant UN resolutions, the Madrid Terms of Reference, the Principle of Land for Peace, and the Arab Peace Initiative. They underscored that ending the occupation and advancing a two-state solution remains central to achieving security in the region. India has long supported the establishment of a sovereign, independent, and viable Palestinian state coexisting peacefully with Israel within secure and recognized borders. It became the first non-Arab country to recognize the state of Palestine in 1988.